Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software on PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply change your video aspect ratio in CapCut. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure it's active in timeline right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have ratio. Click on that. Then once you click on it, you have different aspect ratio right here that you can switch your video to. You can decide to change the aspect ratio to 2:1. So once you click, you have this shape exactly on the workspace right here. Then you can go back to the aspect ratio. You can decide to make it 9:16, and you have exactly aspect ratio right here. Then you can scale up the video to full up the canvas of the area. So you can go on and change to whatever type of aspect ratio of your choice in CapCut video editing on PC. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing on PC. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for